Today we celebrate a new chapter for Foxcroft as we officially install Dr. Kaenzig as head of this amazing school. We welcome her into this community and invite her to learn firsthand what makes this place so special.
My own promise to you is that I will work every day to lead this community where you can take risks, grow strong, and continue to discover the full breadth of your unique voices.
By the authority of the Board of Trustees, I install you as the 11th head of Foxcroft School. I charge you to lead with worthwhile action and feeling, to devote yourself to Foxcroft School, to uphold the school's mission, and to always keep the girls at the heart of everything you do.
Ms. Charlotte reminded us that we must be brave and dare to dream big dreams. And so we are, and so we do here at Foxcroft. Today, I choose to follow in that proud tradition of courage. Courage for this new chapter I am so excited to embark on. Thank you. Thank you for welcoming me and for trusting me. I am so excited to see what we can grow together in this next chapter for Foxcroft.